gonna do a separate video on this, but I ended up only buying 2 things, and also I forgot to record some footage, so I'm just gonna give you guys a small haul. First, I got this little floral tank top. It's from this, and it's pretty basic and cute. And also, I bought these Levi jeans. Look so cute. It's like a skirt. I love the pocket and these like textures. So this is all that I got when I went thrifting. Hey everyone, I'm back home and I didn't record a lot because I went to a family reunion and I didn't want to make my family feel kind of uncomfortable by recording them. I'm just gonna show you guys what my grandma gave me because she has got some hidden gems in her closet. She gave me this little bag. It has Snoopy on it and it's so cute. Also, I love how like cute and dainty it is. Then she has more Snoopy stuff, and this little pouch is so cute. Like, look at the detail inside the pouch. And she also gave me this drawstring bag, also with Snoopy on it. She also gave me this Snoopy pouch, another one, but it's like zipped. My grandma also gave me this brand new Hello Kitty lunchbox. It's like those like old styled lunch boxes. Then I also got these 2 Rilakkuma pouches. Like they're supposed to be in a set, and there's also the orange Kuma, but she didn't have it. So it's just these 2. And lastly, she also gave me this like fluffy Smiggles bag. It says like Smiggles here. And this is literally my childhood brand. Like, I love my grandma. My mom pre-ordered a shriveled up the chicken character. I don't know the name, but it's from Rilakkuma. Here is like a picture of how it looks like. Yeah, this is all I got. What area should Let me show you guys a haul of what I got in the Japanese snack store. First, I got this strawberry ramen thing. This concept is so weird, but it's Japan, you know? Japan has all the really unique food. Next, I got like these chips in chocolate flavor, and I also got mint chocolate Pocky. If you guys don't know, mint chocolate is like my favorite flavor of ice cream, so I had to try this because I collect Pocky packaging. Two are the ones that I collected so far. This is blueberry and this is like matcha flavor. Whoa, this is how it looks like. It looks super accurate to the... Oh my god, it's the same size. Taste test. It really tastes like minty. This is all I got for my snack haul. Good morning, everyone. It's currently Father's Day, and I want to make breakfast for my dad, even though he already left, and I woke up later than him, but it's not too late to make one. So I'm going to make Hong Kong styled French toast. Here's the toast. This is how the final thing looks like. I think I might have soaked it in too much egg wash, but I'll make another one. Like, one is for my breakfast and one is for my dad, but I'm gonna try to finish this first. This is how the Hong Kong toast look like. That looks really good. Taste test.